The WEP 948 III Soldering Station offers a dual function, allowing simultaneous soldering and desoldering capabilities, making it versatile for various projects. Equipped with a fast-heating 110-watt soldering iron, it ensures quick temperature adjustments and consistent performance for larger solder joints. The improved desoldering gun significantly enhances the through-hole component removal process, reducing the risk of jams and increasing efficiency. With an array of 31 accessories, including multiple soldering tips and nozzles, this station provides comprehensive tools for diverse soldering needs. The device's sleep mode and automatic shutdown features contribute to energy efficiency and extend the lifespan of the equipment. Supported by a 1-year technical assistance program, users can rely on prompt support and service for any operational concerns.